This looks insane. And I was like, you know what? That's a good idea, actually. I need to confess something. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. Today I'm filming a what I eat in a day, and I was thinking I should probably make a smoothie bowl. Like, I was really feeling like a smoothie bowl with delicious toppings and stuff, but unfortunately I don't have any frozen berries here. So I was thinking instead I could actually make pancakes, because it has actually been 2 months. Like, the last time I made pancake was 2 months ago. Also, I do have blueberries to put on top and coconut flakes and a bit of maple syrup. So I'm gonna be using 1/3 cup of flour, which is here. Then I'm using about 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I always go pretty high on like baking powder. I love it. I'm adding a bit of cinnamon, some vanilla extract, tiny bit. Ooh. I'm adding 1/4 of oat milk, and if it's not enough I'm gonna add another one. I prefer to add a little bit and then see if I need more than just adding a lot of milk, and then it's too much milk. The second 1/4 cup of milk. So for the pancake, you actually want to flip them when it starts making bubbles like this.
But baby, you hardly even notice when I try to show you. Song is meant to keep you doing what you're supposed to. Waking up too early, maybe we could sleep. Make you banana pancakes, pretend like it's the weekend.
It is so good, especially with like the bee pollen. I actually need to make pancakes more often because it's so simple and it's so good. You know what I forgot? My coffee. I totally forgot. So I'm gonna be making lunch, and for lunch I actually want to make a sort of not nourish bowl, but something, okay, I'm just gonna put it here, but something like with rice, quinoa, and I think buckwheat, so it's kind of like my carbs and grains. And then I want to make avocado toast. I'm gonna be making avocado toast with bread and a bit of chili flakes, because chili flakes with avocado are just the cherry on the top. I'm actually gonna add some honey, and then I'm gonna add egg for my proteins, because I want to maintain my muscles, or at least what I have left. Because guys, I swear I think I lost so much muscles from not being able to lift heavy, like because the gyms have been closed since September in France. I mean, it's not that I was lifting incredibly heavy at the gym, but at least I was really lifting more than my body weight, and I miss it so much, just being able to go somewhere and train and like see people and have the machines and like your space, and not just being on your mat and in the same room every single day. Guys, I feel like we spend the whole video in this room, like in my kitchen slash living room, but it's all about eating today, so that's why we're here. By the way, the weather is so weird. Like, it's sunny and then 10 seconds after it, it's like dark and gray. Like, look at the sky, I'm gonna show you, it's so weird. Like, you see it's kind of sunny, but at the same time it's getting darker, so I think it's gonna rain. Anyway, it's 4 p.m, which means it's snack time, and I wanted to make something like smoothie bowl at first, but then I realized it's kind of cold and wintry here, so I really want to make something like a comfort food and something a bit warm. So I thought, why not make a grilled cheese but in a sweet way? And I was like, you know what? That's a good idea actually. So I grabbed some bread. I'm gonna be making 2 toasts. Then I got this nut butter, which is actually hazelnut and honey, and I'm gonna like fry pan that in coconut oil, and I think it's gonna taste pretty delicious.
Can't you see?
So I got my toast right here. I'm gonna cut it in 2, but it looks absolutely delicious. I promise you. It's like I'm obsessed with grilled cheese in general, like savory grilled cheese, but this one in a sweet one and with coconut oil. I love cooking with coconut oil and stuff. This looks insane. Taste test. It's the banana for me, and also like the nut butter. I think this with cashew butter, oh my god. By the way, I need to expose myself here. Like, I need to confess something. It has been on my mind for like 2 weeks now, and it's becoming obsessive, like literally obsessive. I'm actually thinking of making a TikTok account. But before that, we need to address the elephant in the room, because I used to hate TikTok. Like, I'm not kidding. When it went out, I was like, why people download this app? Like, literally why people do post content on this. And because of all the dancing kind of stuff, I'm not a big fan of dancing. I'm not feeling comfortable dancing. So at first I was like, the content on this app is so weird. I didn't even download the app, and also I think I was really feeling overwhelmed because you actually have so many TikTok videos on the internet. Like, even if you're on Facebook and Instagram or like all the social media, you still have people reposting TikToks and stuff like this. So it was really at the beginning becoming overwhelming, and I was so tired and sick of seeing TikTok videos everywhere. I thought it was for kids, and I was thinking, okay, you know what, if I was maybe 14, maybe 16, I can understand. Like, maybe I would have been like a teenager, I would have downloaded this app and do the dances, move. But you know what, if I learned something in my life for everything, is that there's only the fool people who never ever change their minds. And I've been changing my mind so many times for so many things, and even like big important things. Sometimes you're not the same person you were like 1 year ago, or sometimes like your point of view just kind of change, and that's totally fine. It's weird to be in a mindset that you are willing to change your mind, but you're just thinking, oh no, what people would think about me, or what people would think if I change my mind. Like, it's just, you know what, like, just do you. Anyway, all of that to just say that I follow a lot of girls. Actually, the content they post is really valuable, and really, like, they give tips, they give recipes, they give workouts. They are really providing something and bringing something. And I'm someone who actually deeply love creating videos. Like, I love visual content, but videos are my favorite. So if you ask me to choose between Instagram or YouTube, I would choose YouTube 100%. And I feel like TikTok is such a fun way to make videos. Like, you have a few seconds to catch up your audience and post like recipes, but really quick. And for me, I love filming what I eat in a day, and I felt like, and on TikTok I could post so many what I eat in a day, or a few tips on health and fitness, and also like workouts, but really quick. So it wouldn't take me as long as filming like a YouTube video, for example, or like even like an IGTV. I don't want to do IGTV anymore, but actually you have no idea, sometime on Final Cut Pro it took me like maybe 1 hour to just put like all the footage together and stuff for just like a really small video. So because I really want to film more, and because I really want to make short videos, I feel like TikTok will be the perfect place. And also, because I don't have any account, I can't watch the people that I love who do videos on TikTok, because I don't have any accounts. So I can follow their workouts, I can follow their recipes. So it's just a bit annoying, and I was thinking that I could just download it, try it, and if I really like it, then I keep going, and if I don't enjoy it, then I just quit, you know, but at least I would have tried. If you do have a TikTok, I think I would have made a TikTok by the time I post this video, so follow me here because that will be my account. So if you do have a TikTok account, please give your name in the comments down below because I would love to follow you and watch your videos and get some inspiration from you. So yeah, that was my little chat of the day. By the way, I think you noticed it, but I just cut my hair and I'm obsessed. I was actually asking for like longer, like I wanted my hair to be like here, but actually I didn't show any pictures, so I can't blame her for that. But my hair was so dead that it needed a big trim, but I'm gonna take supplements and stuff like this, so I know they will grow in 1 year or so. I think I'm just actually gonna film my hair journey because so many people actually struggle with hair length and hair health, so I think it will be interesting to see in how long I can get like my previous length. So I just made myself some tea and I'm gonna watch a few YouTube videos. I'm gonna leave you here and please don't forget to follow me on my Instagram right here because that's where I post all of my recipes and a lot of content as well. So if you don't want to miss anything, please check my account and don't forget to tag me if you make any of the recipes. It always makes me so happy to see yours. It's actually too fun to see the same recipe but in a different setup and stuff. It's so cool. Don't forget to give this video a like and leave a comment. If you leave a comment, I always try to respond to all the comments. This really makes my day, and don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss anything upcoming, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!